Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Poco F2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. As you can see, here we have the volume button, so by tapping on this, for now we can taking a picture like that. And to change it we have to go to the more advanced settings, so first we have to tap on this button at the right corner here, and from here we have to move to these settings at the left corner, and by tapping on this we get access to the camera settings. And from here we have to slide down to the quick settings, and as you can see at the second position here we have the volume buttons function. So by tapping on this we can change it, we can pick from shooter countdown, zoom and volume. So for now I'm going to pick zoom to show you how it works different. And let's go back to the standard camera view and use the volume button again. So as you can see, it was changed to the zoom, and now I can get really close to my object and also go back. So this is how it works. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.